Festivals and ceremonies have a special place of importance in the lives of all of us. While celebrating a festival, we are charged up with a fresh gush of zeal in our life. The festival that has been being celebrated for the last 13 years now is such as invariably leaves the eyes of both organizers and participants thereof moistened in pious love, thereby sanctifying their minds, alleviating their ailments, and even purifying their thoughts to a great extent. This festival was initiated on 14th February 2006 by the self-realized saint Sri Asharamji Bapu. Upon perceiving the steady moral degradation of not just this nation but of the whole world, with culture, moral values and pious ideologies being subjected to a multi-pronged attack, Bapuji came up with a wonderful idea after a great deal of deliberation, with the resolve to find an appropriate solution to the problem. He simply planted the sublime tree of Parents Worship Day, which now has matured into an imposing tree per se. 13 years back, only a few thousand families had celebrated 14th Feb as Parents Worship Day in India. Today, this festival was celebrated by billions of people in 167 countries with great zeal and gaiety. And in India alone, this festival was celebrated this year by as many as 57 crore people in such a harmonious fashion that the world at large was simply left agape. Let's have a look at some select glimpses of this year's concerned celebrations. In many schools, colleges, societies, villages and hamlets of Ahmedabad, the celebrations of this festival had begun a week in advance.
I like this program pretty much. I participate in it every year.
This day of 14th February is generally celebrated by people as Valentine's Day. But instead of that, I would like it to be celebrated as Parents Worship Day as propagated by Sant Sri Asharamji Bapu.
I participated in this program for the first time. This is very good, and first of all, I would like to express my heartful gratitude to Sant Sri Asharamji Bapu, who inspired us to celebrate Parents Worship Day instead of Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is not as important as worshipping one's own parents. We need to respect them.
Today I worshipped my parents. It was really a great experience. It should be held every year.
Sant Sri Asharamji Bapu gave an alternative, an option to celebrate this day as Parents Worship Day.
On 14th February, it was amazing to see the wonderful ambience at the ashram of Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu, located in Sabarmati. Here, through a nice colourful drama enacted by them, the Gurukul children gave out the poignant message that there may be an alternative to everything in this world, but none to our parents. This program was followed by that of Parents Worship Day, celebrated on a fairly large scale.
I cannot express in the words because I feel top of the world because it's all happening because of Guruji's blessings.
Actually, the servitors of Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu had started their campaign to convince the people about the true worthiness of this festival a number of days in advance. The Samitis and servitors all over the country registered a tremendous success in propagating the awareness of its worthiness, thereby propagating the festival amongst a larger chunk of people than ever before. Be it the capital city of Delhi or economic capital Mumbai, Hyderabad, Indore, Ambala city, Kota, Bhavnagar, Barmer, Rajnandgaon, etc., where this festival was celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. This scene is of the Rohini region in South Delhi, where the sadhakas and servitors along with the Samiti members celebrated Parents Worship Day with great zeal under the benign guidance of Sadhvi Rekha Bahan.
If any country in this world can boast of a culture that teaches its followers to worship their parents, it's of course Hindustan and none else. So this message has to be spread across the world from here only. And this is perhaps one of a kind in the whole of human history, including that of present and of future, that millions of followers of a Sadguru have still been complying religiously with the good moral values taught by him, even after almost 6 years of his being jailed under a huge conspiracy.
A great saint that he is, Bapuji has been turning our society back towards our ancient Vedic culture. He has given us the Parents Worship Day, a perfect alternative to the Valentine's Day.
It was as if a veritable fair in the Hyderabad city, a fair of lamps, a fair of doting parents and their loving children. Everyone present was spontaneously eager to get lost in this fair, for the atmosphere herein was one of true love. Even a busy city like Mumbai witnessed a virtual flood of true love between parents and their children, wherein all children took a holy and enrapturing dip in the overflowing river of parental love by worshipping their respective parents.
As you already know, under the benign guidance of our supremely revered Pratasmaraniya Gurudeva, people in this country have started celebrating Parents Worship Day instead of Valentine's Day. Provide not luxurious facilities to your children. Also don't hand over excess money to them. Rather give them good moral values so that your old age is not jeopardized but protected. This will ensure your most valuable blessings for them and keep you from tears due to their ill treatment.
Now, let's move on to Indore, where one could witness all hues of love at one place. They were all worshipping their parents, some by smiling caringly at them, some by shedding tears of love, some others by watching them ardently.
The devotees of Pujya Asharamji Bapu celebrate Valentine's Day as Parents Worship Day every year. And this verily is the essence of our moral values and culture.
This time round, even Bhavnagar was not left behind. Parents Worship Day was celebrated here with great joy and enthusiasm on a reasonably large scale. The celebration of this festival started here a week in advance through holding of programs in various schools, institutions and organizations in a grand gala fashion. This festival was celebrated in a befitting fashion all over the country in various schools, colleges and societies on a considerably large scale, wherein children worshipped their parents as gods by applying tilaka on their foreheads, garlanding them, offering prasada to them, according aarti to them, and then finally circumambulating them and receiving their blessings by standing before them with folded hands. Be it the guardians or their wards, all were literally immersed in the ocean of love, for it was 14th February, the Parents Worship Day.
ज्ञानामृत से धोके हमें चमकाने वाले।
Parents Worship Day was being celebrated in every nook and corner of the country, in open fields, parks, schools, colleges, temple premises, etc., with a virtual flood of love inundating everyone around. At every city, village and all other places, people unanimously preferred to celebrate Parents Worship Day rather than Valentine's Day on 14th February. This verily was the status everywhere in the country. The considerably large scale at which this festival was celebrated all over can be assessed even from these telling pictures as well. At some places, large canopies were erected At others, stages were decorated, and at some other places, people even booked hotels, inns and parks to celebrate Parents Worship Day in a grand gala fashion. While at most places, they celebrated it during the daytime itself, at others they could manage time only at night. But Parents Worship Day was celebrated all the same with great joy and enthusiasm. The servitors of Bapuji have successfully spread the pious fragrance of this festival even overseas, with many nations preferring to celebrate 14 February as Parents Worship Day rather than as Valentine's Day. These places included Boston, Canada, California, Indianapolis, Texas, Houston, Dubai, Sharjah, Singapore, Lamki in Nepal, etc., where this festival was celebrated in a most noble yet splendid way. Bhupendra Singh Chudasama, the Education Minister of Gujarat, Bhupesh Baghel, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, the Education Minister Prem Sai Singh Tekam, Raghuvar Das, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, the Education Minister Dr. Neera Yadav did send their complimentary messages and good wishes for this most propitious festival.
There is none more important than parents, so I welcome the initiative to celebrate 14 February as Parents Worship Day.
I surely wish further and faster spread of Parents Worship Day.
Even the ongoing festival of Mahakumbh in Prayagraj did not go untouched by this unique festival, with many saints expressing their gratitude to the self-realized saint Sri Asharamji Bapu for his excellent initiative.
The festival of Parents Worship Day initiated by Asharamji Bapu is supremely wonderful. Hence, we must work collectively and do everything to spread it all around.
People celebrating the Valentine's Day will celebrate the next Valentine's Day with someone else. Do you want that by adopting this culture and agreeably degrading yourself that one day you are in relationship with someone and the other day with someone else?
Parents Worship Day is the best festival worth celebrating all over. What else can be more important for the Sanatan Dharma? It's a fabulous achievement of the Sanatan Dharma.
A Parents Worship Day awakening procession was taken out from the Ahmedabad ashram, which later passed through Vadodara, Rajkot, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Somnath, Veraval, Bhavnagar, etc. regions, charging up the people around with the noble fragrance of Parents Worship Day. This year, even media played a significant role by generously spreading the message to one and all in the country, helping educate the people on why and how to celebrate this festival and participate in this mega movement. Many newspapers and TV channels provided a prime coverage to this festival of love between the parents and their children.
The students are being specially guided under the benign instructions of Sant Shri Asharamji Bapu so that we can prevent the effulgence of culture from being extinguished forever.
The large hoardings hanging at many places presented a testimony to the true worth of this festival. Parents are said to be gods on earth. However, under the influence of changing times, modern children tend to forget the enormous favors of their parents and even insult them, only to eventually leave them in the old age homes. In this horribly dim state of affairs, the pious flame of Parents Worship Day, so compassionately lit by Saint Sri Asharamji Bapu, has caused the holy effulgence of true love to prevail in the lives of not just lakhs but actually crores of parents and their children all over. And needless to mention that this sublime convention is set to keep enriching the posterity for years and ages to come.
माता पिता को सदा साथ रखना। कलयुग में तप, उपवास, व्रत, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि तो कठिन है, लेकिन चलते फिरते जागते देव, सर्वतीर्थमयी माता, सर्वदेवमय पिता, उनका आदर सत्कार करना। बुढ़ापे में उनसे तुच्छा व्यवहार न करना, उनको वृद्धाश्रम में, अनाथ आश्रम में, सरकारी आश्रम जगहों में मत छोड़ना। और सब मिलेगा लेकिन माता पिता नहीं मिलेगा, और माता पिता तो जागृत देवता है। कितने दुख सहकर माता ने हमें जन्म दिया, पाला पोषा बड़ा किया। पिता ने कितनी कठिनाइयों से हमारा भरण पोषण किया। माता पिता को साथ रखना, उनका आशीर्वाद लेना, मंगलमय जीवन निभाना। आपका मंगल होगा बेटे बेटियां, और फिर आपके भी बच्चे ऐसा आपका आदर करें।
Now the stamp has been affixed. On 14th February, instead of Valentine's Day, Parents Worship Day will be celebrated, spreading the divine fragrance of true love all around. Because we have to revive our moribund culture, nurture good moral values, and purify the perverted thoughts, thereby launching a countrywide and even worldwide campaign for true progress.